In the middle of a chaotic match or a long work call, the last thing you want is a heavy clamp on your head or a microphone broadcasting your room fan to everyone. The HyperX Cloud Stinger 2-core aims to fix that without breaking the bank. And just a quick heads up, the links for this product with the best prices I could find are already down in the description, okay? Using this daily, the first thing you notice is that the 40mm drivers deliver a very honest sound profile. You shouldn't expect an intense sub-bass impact, but the focus here is clearly on the mids and highs. With the DTS license, the sense of space on PC improves significantly, making it much easier to pinpoint exactly where your opponent's footsteps are coming from. But pinpointing enemies is useless if you have to take the headset off due to pain. Fortunately, comfort is a major highlight here. The fabric earpads are soft, and the clamping pressure is moderate, which is great news if you wear glasses. You won't feel that painful pinch after an hour. The build is fully plastic, which makes it lighter than competitors like the Havit H2002D, although the Havit does offer a metal construction which feels more premium but heavier. The lightweight build keeps you in the game longer, and so does the fact that you never run out of battery. Since this relies on a standard 3.5mm analog connection, you never have the stress of charging. You just plug it into your console controller or PC and you are good to go. Once you are plugged in, communicating with your squad becomes the next priority. When you need to talk, the flip-to-mute swivel is practical, but the real win here against rivals like the Havit is the noise suppression. In my tests, the HyperX managed to filter out background noise much better, keeping the voice capture clear even in a noisy room, though unlike the Havit, the mic here is not removable. Speaking of performance on PC, the hardware gets a little help from software. There is no proprietary app for EQ, but strictly for the PC version, the included code for DTS Headphone X, valid for 2 years, effectively handles the virtual surround sound processing. This leads us to the final verdict. Is it the best choice for you? If you are torn between this and the Havit offers metal build, but the HyperX wins on weight, local brand support, and in my opinion, better sound quality via DTS and a superior microphone. Regarding the previous version, the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core, I have a full comparison video on the channel, but I definitely prefer this newer version for its overall balance. For a price range of $30 to $40, it is a solid choice. So that was my complete review. If you've decided this is the right headset for you and want to support the curation work I do here, consider using the affiliate links in the description. I've already sought out the best deals to make it easier for you. When you buy through them, you don't pay anything extra, but you directly help the channel continue to create honest, detailed reviews just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.